Okay, so it says write an equation of the line and slope intercept form. What do you have to do to get the slope? Yeah, rise over run. So, and again, I keep hearing over the same people who are going to get an A on the quiz, that got an A on the quiz, are going to get an A on the test. So make sure that you know how to do this and that you're asking if you don't know how. Okay? So we're going to count. Let's just start with this point here. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So positive 4, and I'm going over how many? 1, 2, 3. Since I'm going left, is that positive or negative? Negative. Negative. What's my y-intercept? My y-intercept is? Negative 2. So what's my equation?
Y equals 4, negative 4 thirds, x minus 2.
Yep. Okay, we've done this how many times now?
Once today.
A lot.
A lot. Okay, so hopefully you get this correct. If you still don't know what you're doing, come see me. Okay. Slope count. 1, 2, 3. To the right, 1, 2. So is that positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Up and to the right is positive. 3, 2. Slope is 3 over 2. Y-intercept is what? 5. Equation is y equals
3 over 2x plus 5.
Yep. Last one.
How do you get the y-intercept?
You always just look and see where the point that intersects the y-axis.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the y-intercept.
That would make sense.
So, Alex, what would be your y-intercept here?
2.
Yeah. And then your slope would be 1, 2, up 2, and over to the left, 1, 2, 3. Since I'm moving to the left, it's negative. So my slope is negative 2/3. Yeah? Up and to the left. So my equation is y equals negative 2/3 x plus 2. Okay, everybody still feels good about that, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. I hope at this point you're good with it and you're not going to miss it. Okay, just as a reminder, directions. Up and to the right are what?
Positive.
Down and to the left are
Negative.
Yep. Cool. Oh, sorry. I'll go back. All right. So, what does point slope form?
Y minus y equals mx minus x1.
Yeah, that's one person that got that. Do the rest of you remember that is point slope form?
Yeah. I didn't memorize it in this one.
All right. At this point, again, we've done this a couple of times. So what do we have to find first for number 4 before we put in point slope form? The slope. So let me find the slope. How would I find my slope?
y2 minus y1 and
X2
x1.
X2 over X1. Yeah. X2 minus y1 over X2 minus X1. I said that.
Yeah, which is what?
1 minus 7 or 7
7 minus 1 or 1 minus 7. And then what do I put on the bottom?
Negative 2
Negative
minus.
2 minus 4. Or
Thanks,
4 minus
Ryan.
negative
Welcome.
4.
Yes. Okay, so 7 minus 1 is 6. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. So my slope is negative 1. Now I just plug it in. Now, does it matter what point I use, Aiden? Does it matter what point I use for this formula?
No.
Okay, Aiden, does it matter what point I use?
No.
Why not? Well, turn around, dude. Okay. So I can pick either one. So I'm going to pick either one. So y minus 1 equals my slope, which is negative 1, times x minus what, Aiden? I didn't ask what you were telling Jenna. I asked x minus what?
Yeah.
No. Aiden, sad story. You want to hear it? It's when you bombed the test. The saddest story I've ever read.
You should have said
Okay?
your grades.
So, y minus 1 equals the slope, which we found, times x minus 4. Alright, clearly, see, this is why we review these concepts over and over and over again, because we keep messing them up. Do you have to go any further than this?
No.
No. Okay, so Aiden's going to help me do the second one, and he's going to get it correct. So I want to have.
Did I say that?
What did he say?
Do you mind?
Sorry.
Okay,
It's continue something in this direction.
here we go. Alright, so, Aiden, what do I do first?
Find the slope.
Yes. Okay, so I find the slope first. What would that be?
Y2.
Yeah, give me the numbers. What would be the numbers?
Zero, 0 minus 3 over negative 3 minus 1.
Yeah. Negative 3 over
Oh,
negative 4, which is 3/4. Okay, Aiden, what do I do next? What do I do now? Aiden. Yes, which would be
y minus y1 parentheses x minus 3.
uh-huh. So fill that in with the points and the slope. You're so close.
Yeah.
So what do you do next?
3 minus y1
Y minus 3
y minus 3.
equals what? What's your M? That you told me. Yes, what did you... Troy? And yes, stop jamming out.
Whoa.
Thanks. This is Starbucks. Okay, anyway. Y minus 3 equals, what's your slope?
3 over 4.
Yeah. X minus what?
4.
No. Look at the point. You're on number 5. No, 1. 1. Okay, listen up. Again, you need to watch this if you don't get it. You pick a point that you work with. So once you find the slope, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, then you pick a point, either 1, 3 or negative 3, 0. So I picked 1, 3. So I'm going to plug in 3 for my y1, 1 for my x1. Does that make sense? Yeah? And you can just leave it like this. We're going to do another one. We're clearly confused. Alright. So, what is the slope of number 6?
Negative 1.
2/3.
So negative 1 minus negative 5 over what?
Positive 4 minus negative 6.
Yep. Which will give you 4, 6, which is 2/3. Thank you. And now plug it in the form. Yes, Haley. Yeah. So y minus what?
-5.
Okay, y minus negative 5, which is just a plus plus, equals what?
2/3.
2/3, which is your slope. Okay, Aiden, if she chose negative 5, what am I going to call that one? Not negative 5. She chose this point, Aiden. She chose that point. So if she made that...
X minus x1.
Yeah, well, what's x1? What's x1?
Negative 2.
Yeah, so why did you tell me something other than negative 2? Yeah? Does that make sense to you now? Aiden really does it? Really, really? Really, really, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first one, how can I write f of 0 equals 2 as a point? What point will that be?
0 is x and 2 is eyeball.
0, 2. Okay. What's my next point?
-4, 2.
Is it -1, 3 or is it 3, -1? Yeah. Okay, what's my
Sorry.
what's my y-intercept?
2.
2. Alright, so what do I have left to do?
Find the slope.
Find the slope. So
x2 minus x2.
yep, so 2, not x2 minus x1,
My bad.
y2.
I did it back.
So
Good job,
2
Alex.
minus -1. Please don't do it backwards on the test. 2 minus -1 over what? Minus what?
0 minus 3.
Yeah. Thank you, Jenna. Add. Yeah, 3 over
0.
-3, which is?
-1.
Yep. So what's your equation?
This one.
Y equals -1 x plus 2.
Yeah, negative x.
Oh, negative.
Alright, do we understand that?
Yes.
Brian, do you understand it?
Yeah.
Not yet. We're not done with it.
You
Alright,
can confuse them. Try and
questions on number 7? Okay, number 8.
I'm sorry. It's okay. I said it.
Oh.
That's the truth.
Okay, number 8. What are my 2 points for number 8?
-4, -5, 2, and -3.
2, -3. Okay, I keep hearing that person and that person and that person. Tell me all the answers, okay? So Jenna was saying Carly. Exactly. But I want to make sure that the rest of you, like Brittany and Daniel and Liam and everybody else, understand everything that I'm doing here, okay? I know. So, what do I have to do first?
Find the slope.
Find my slope. Okay, so how do I find my slope? Yes. So, -5 minus -3 over what? Yeah. See, again, Jenna's telling me all the answers
Good job,
here.
Jenna.
Okay, I didn't say Jenna telling me the answer, did I? Oh, did I? Oh. Yes. Yes. I want other people to tell me what to do here because I clearly know that you guys know what you're doing. I just want to make sure that everybody else knows what they're doing. That's it. Okay, so add. I get -2 on top. What do I get on the bottom?
-6.
Yes. Okay, so if I said your name, resist the urge to talk, okay? So -2 over -6 reduces to what? Yeah. Okay, now this is the more tricky part. Do I have the y-intercept given to me here right away? Do I?
Wait, what was the question?
Do I have the y-intercept given to me?
Yes.
No.
No.
What would be my y-intercept? I don't have it, right? This, on number 7, was my y-intercept, yes? Do I have something with a 0 in front?
No.
No. So do you remember how to find that y-intercept? What equation do I use? Yes. Okay, do you remember what do I do from here?
What's the y in?
Yeah, what y could I use? Can I use either y?
Yeah.
Yes, which y do you want to use? -3? Okay. If I use -3 for y, what do I plug in for m?
1/3.
1/3. What do I plug in for x?
2.
2. And then I have to solve for b. Right, remember that? Okay, so -3 equals 2/3 plus b. Yes? So how do I solve for b? On this step here, subtract 2/3, right. So let me make some room down here. Back. Okay. I take -3 minus 2 over 3. Okay, remember common denominator, so -9/3 minus 2/3, which is -11/3. Yeah? Yeah, just subtracting fractions. Remember that? Okay, so y equals 1/3 x. 1/3 was the slope I found between those 2 points. You're with me? And then I just subtract 11/3. You have a question on that? I know it's a lot of work, but do you at least understand what to do? Because if you get this wrong, if I see that you understood the process, I probably won't take as many points off. Or maybe no points off, depending on how much you know. Okay? Alright. Alright. So, Jenna told me the types of slopes that we have for parallel lines. She said that in order for two lines to be parallel, they have to have the same slope. In order for them to be perpendicular, they have to have opposite reciprocal slopes. Yeah? So it's just a matter of doing what for number 9? Aiden. What would I do for number 9? If you weren't busy playing dodgeball, maybe you can have a thing. Yeah. Okay, find the slope. So for A, I'm going to color code this. 5 minus -4 over 1 minus -2. That's 9. Over 3, which is 3. I'm just going to write that there. And then I'm going to find the next one. For B. So, let's just do 2 minus -4 over what? 3 minus 1, yeah? Add, so that's 6 over 2, which is 3. So what do I know about A and B? Which means the slope. So it means, what kind of lines are they? Parallel. Remember, that's the symbol that we use for parallel. That means parallel. Okay, line C. Find the slope for line C. 2 minus 1 over -4 minus 6 equals 1 over plus -6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 1 over -10, which is -1/10. Is that right? 2 minus 1 over -4 minus 6, yes. So, is that parallel or perpendicular to anything? No. Okay. So all I had to write was A is parallel to B. I don't have to really write anything with C. If you wanted to, you could say this. You could say A is not parallel to B, or not A, no. You could say, sorry, A is not parallel to C, and B is not parallel to C as well. Okay? If you have questions on number 9 and how to do it, you will definitely see this on the text. Alright, number 10. What do we have to do to solve number 10? Aiden, turn around. How do I solve number 10, Aiden? Yes. How will I do that? No. That isn't standard form, and I use cover up method to find the intercepts. I have to get it in what form? What form? y equals, yes. How do I get down to y equals mx plus b?
Cover up.
No. What do I get to, what do I add? Add 12x.
It's fine.
I get 4y equals 12x plus 20, yes? Again, you'll see this on the test. So what else do I have to do to get y by itself? Divide by 4. Audrey, put that down. Let me say sorry. Really good. Next one. Okay, so divide by 4. When you divide by 4, you get y equals, what's 12 divided by 4? 3x. What's 20 divided by 4? 5. Okay, so what is line A parallel to? What line? Line A, which we just got into y equals mx plus b form. This is line A.
C.
Yeah. So A is parallel to C. I already know that, yeah? So now I have to do it one more time to line B. Everybody with me with that? Yeah. Armando, are you with me? Okay, then turn around over here and look at me. Okay, so we have 3y equals negative x plus 2. So I have to divide by 3, divide by 3. So I get y equals what? Remember, I have to split this up into 2 fractions. What will it be? Negative x over 3 is negative 1/3 x. Yeah? Plus what? 2/3. What did I do? What did I just do to go from here to here? I split up the fraction. Negative x over 3 is negative 1/3 x. 2 over 3 is 2/3. So what do you know about line B? It's perpendicular. It's perpendicular to what two lines? C and A, right? B is perpendicular. Remember we did the upside down T to line A, Y. How did you know it's perpendicular? How did you know? Janice said perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. We had one that had a slope of 3, another one that had a slope of 3, and then all of a sudden we had a slope of negative 1/3. Am I right? So therefore, I know that is perpendicular to A. That's also perpendicular to what other line? C. Okay. Question? Okay. Take like a 2-minute break. Alright, so this problem can be tricky. So it says to rent office space for your business, you must pay a one-time fee of $1,000 and pay rent of $800 per month. That's a lot, but it's office space, so, you know. So this is right a linear model that represents the total cost of renting an office space. Basically, they say you're paying how much a month? $800, right? Do we know how many months we're going to rent that office space? No. So I'm just going to say X. Yeah? How much is that set fee that I have to pay no matter what? 1,000. So no matter what, I have to pay $1,000. Does that make sense? Plus $800 times every month that I rent it. That's why this stuff is important. If you're thinking about concepts like that in the future. I want to rent it for a total amount of a certain amount of months. I have to pay $1,000 set cost no matter what. Okay, so let's find the total cost of renting the space for 1 year. How will I do that?
Do the 800 multiplied by 12.
Yeah, exactly. I am renting the office space for 12 months, which is a year, and then $1,000 fee that I have to pay. So if I rent it for 1 year, how much will my total payment be? Well, that's $9,600 plus $1,000. So for 1 year, how much will I have to pay? Yeah, so I'd have to fork up $10,600 in order to afford that office space for 1 year. Yeah? Now, the last thing I have to do is compare it to another office. Which is the better deal? okay? Since a different building has an office space for rent that does not require 110 feet, so you don't have to pay $1,000. But you must pay $1,000 per month as opposed to 800. If you have $15,000, which you can spend, now which building can you rent office space with the greatest amount of human? So, if it costs you $1,000 per month and you have $15,000, how many months can you rent that? 15 months. Yeah, does that make sense? So that second option is 15 months. How do I figure out how many months I can rent the first office for? What does Y stand for? Yeah, total cost. Exactly. Right? I know that my total cost is going to be how much? How much do I have to spend? 15,000, right? And I want to see how many months that will get me for the first office, right? 800x plus 1,000. Does that make sense? If you subtract 1,000, you get 14,000 equals 800x. It turns out when you divide by 800, you get 17.5. So for the same amount of money, the second choice, even though it doesn't have that one set fee that you have to pay right away, it's still you still can't rent it for as much time. One of them you can rent for 17 and a half months, the other one you can rent for 15 months. Does that make sense? So the first choice is the better deal. Yeah? Do you feel okay about everything from 4-1 to 4-4? Okay.
Oh my God.